Would you like to incorporate more linear drum fills but don't know how or even where to begin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize the one easiest drum pattern to come up with fantastic drum fills. If you like that idea, hit the like button and subscribe so you can come back every Tuesday for another drum lesson. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons, and I can teach you too. I'm Gabriel, and you're watching the YouTube channel of Drum Tip Tuesday. There are 4 easy steps in doing this. The first thing is to become familiar with our primary pattern. It's going to be kick, right, left. Now go back on the kit and just familiarize yourself with this. You don't have to play it at any certain time, but if you do, think about triplets. But most importantly, just get comfortable with kick, right, left, like this. Step number 2, identify and focus in on a practical pattern. We're going to use kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. You'll see why in a minute, but just go back and play that on the kick and snare drum, like this. Step number 3, voice this on the drums as a timekeeping device. Remember a minute ago when I said you're going to see why we put that double left in there? Basically, that's just those 16/16 notes in a bar of 4/4 time. And when you are in timekeeping position with your hands, right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum, you're going to be able to just drop the right hand back one time to hit the backbeat on beat 2, and you're going to be able to keep the left hand right where it is and hit the backbeat on beat 4, and it's going to make time. Make sure to keep everything that's on the snare drum that's not beats 2 and 4, a very small go stroke, and take it easy on the hi-hat for now. It was during the Buddy Rich Memorial Concert Series where I witnessed for the first time examples of absolute linear madness. And that featured Vinnie Colaiuta, Steve Gadd, and of course Dave Weckl. I'm wondering, what's your favorite example of fantastic linear drumming? Comment below. And finally, step 4, voice the pattern as a drum fill. You want to take your right hand and you just want to move that around the drums. Now I'll provide you with a specific pattern. Of course, you can do your own, but this one will work. And in addition to that, it's going to work as its own tom groove. Watch. You have to come up with some time that kind of sounds like the fill or the kind of material that we're working on. And you put it in a 4-bar phrase. Play 3 bars at a time, and then you play your fill just moving your hand around. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to move your hand around at first. I'll show you how this works. You can take that timekeeping device that we just came up with and just use that as a drum fill. And then later on throughout the song, you can start moving the hand around. And then maybe when you get to the bridge of the song, you can just play that tom groove as a rhythm to play under a guitar solo. Like I said, play as the bridge. The possibilities are endless. I'm going to go through a few examples right now.